Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again after your winter break to your computer class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your computer class. So class, in the previous session that we had on 24th December 2021, okay, so in that we have discussed, or I have uploaded the video, or we were discussing the chapter number 8, that is working with word. Okay, so the last topic that we had a discussion on was about how to add pictures to a Microsoft Word document, or you can make changes in the size, in the presentation of that particular picture, or any number of pictures that you want to add. Okay, so first of all, I'll just give you a quick recall of the topics by its name, that what we had done in the last few sessions of the chapter number 8. So the chapter is 8, working with word. In that we had discussed that how to select the text, okay, how to select a paragraph, selecting any amount of text, moving and copying the text. Okay, so after that we had done moving and copying the text, how you can move and copy the text in the MS Word, then formatting the text by using all these different ribbons that we are having over here. You can make the changes in its font size. Okay, so I'll just write down something here, like this is Army Public School Varanasi. Okay, so you can you can do editing by selecting, first of all you can change this type of text. Okay, its writing font you can change, you can increase its and size as well, you can add colors, you can give any kind of effect that you want. So this is how what is known as, this is known as formatting the text. Okay, now after that we had the last okay, so changing the color, highlighting the text. Okay, okay, so after that we had done that inserting pictures and clip art. So we can insert pictures. Okay, so you can insert any picture, so but that picture should be in your library. Okay, in the desktop library should be a picture. So suppose I just want to add the picture of this desert. Okay, so I'm inserting it here. Okay, so why is it not showing? I not understand. Okay, so due to some problem with my laptop, it is not showing over here. Okay, now you can see the picture here as well. Okay, so we can add pictures, any number of pictures, but make sure that the picture should be there. Okay, so you can increase and decrease the size of the pictures as well. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so the cursor is here. Now enter, now insert a picture. Okay, go to, okay, now chalo, let's insert some shapes. You can not only pictures, you can insert any picture, you can insert shape. Okay, you can insert anything, you can insert a clip art. So here as we click clip art, okay, so click over here and you can see here number of files. Okay, then click the images that you want. Okay, so I'll just press go, and number of images you can see of ClipArt images you will find over here, but it is not showing. Okay, so this is the ClipArt image that is appearing on your screen. Okay, so let's add some shapes. Why is it not showing? Okay, so let's add some shape. So I'm just inserting the shape over here, nothing else. Okay, so I'm just inserting the shape. Okay, so I have inserted the shape. So you can insert any number of, or whatever you want. You can insert smart art, you can insert any kind of thing. Okay, you can insert matrix, you can insert list. Okay, you can insert a cycle. Okay, so I'm selecting this one, and okay, now you can see this is also over here. Okay, so this is how we can add text. Okay, now after that we had done moving and resizing the images, or the whatever we have taken. Okay, so you can resize is these shapes as well, so you can increase and decrease its size. Okay, can increase and decrease the size of the complete text. Okay, depends upon that, wherever you can okay, sorry, this is not showing. Okay, you can increase, okay, you can move it from one place to another, so depends upon your need, you can insert or you can move it. Now the next is, okay, so now the next one is, so we were discussing like this. Okay, so you can add any number of shapes or different types of shapes, whatever you want. So first of all we will discuss about the pictures, so that's why I'm going to just delete it. Okay, I'm going to delete it as well. Okay, so let's get back to the topic. Okay, so the picture space is also there. Okay, so I'm going to remove it, delete it. Just give me a minute. Okay, so as the picture is not showing here, so I'm just going to scroll it up and down so that you can see the pictures. So you can increase and decrease the size of the picture as per your requirement. Okay, so इससे पहले देखिए हमने ऊपर क्या था, we can change the font type, font style that we had done. Okay, we can change the font style or type, or you can give any kind of shadow, reflection. So whatever you want, you can choose that particular one. Okay, so I'm choosing this one now. So as you can see, it has been changed. So similarly in the pictures, if you want to give any kind of effect, you can give it. Okay, now the next and the very most important one is the shapes, adding auto shapes. Okay, so shapes you can also add. So I'm adding the shapes after this. So first of all I'm going to delete this picture. So now suppose you want to add any shape, so you can add any type of shape according to your requirement. Okay, suppose I just want to make a poster in which I want to add the smileys. Okay, मुझे एक पोस्टर बनाना है जिसमें मुझे स्माइलीज बहुत सारी ऐड करनी है. So go here, go to insert, go to shapes. Okay, now here you can say number of shapes of different sizes available on the screen. You can choose the shape according to your requirement. So I'm selecting this one. So I have selected this. Now you can see the smiley is here. Okay, now आप बोलोगे मैम तो ब्लू कलर की स्माइली है. नो, you can add color to it and you can convert it into a proper smiley. You can increase and decrease its size as well. So I'm increasing its size. Okay, now it's a smiley. We can add color, you can fill color. Okay, so you can add any color. Okay, make a right click on this smiley. Okay, or you can just color it according to your need. Just a minute. Okay, go to home, select. Okay, just a minute. Why is it not showing? Okay, give him a minute. Okay, so now make a right click over here on this smiley and you can see fill button is there. So you can choose the color according to your requirement. So smiley generally is in this color. तो हम येलो कलर की स्माइली होती है, we have chosen this. Okay, so this is a smiley. Okay, similarly if you want to insert any more shapes, you can insert it from here. Just go there, insert. Okay, आपने देखा होगा टीचर्स जब आपको एग्जाम में देते हैं तो आपको बॉक्स के अंदर टेक्स्ट लिखने के लिए देते हैं. So how we add text? Okay, so what we generally do, we go to shapes. Okay, we insert a shape. जो भी shape चाहिए, suppose I need this one, oval shape मैंने ली, and जहाँ मैं इसको click करूँगी, that shape will be posted accordingly. Now I can increase and decrease the size of this shape according to my requirement. So I have increased its size. Okay, आप उसकी length, breadth, height जो भी चाहो अपने accordingly you can change it. So I'm changing its size like this. Okay, now we can add color to this as well, or you can make it blank. Okay, so जो भी आपको चाहिए you can change, you can keep it blank, or you can fill it with any color. Okay, you can give outline. देखिए here you can see outline is also there. You can give outline. Okay, तो outline कैसे देनी है I'll show you. Okay, so you can give effects. Okay, go to, okay, color you can change this from here according to your requirement. Okay, so I have selected this one. Now you can add outline, you can give any outlining, okay, whatever. So this is the weight you can give. Okay, अब जैसे इसका ओके एज ब्रॉड देखिए, यू कैन सी इसकी जो आउटलाइन है सर्कल की, दैट हैज़ गॉट लिटिल बिट डार्कर एंड द विड्थ इज लिटिल बिट मोर. यू कैन चेंज इट. Okay, weight, okay, accordingly. Okay, so you see this is how you can give shape. Okay, you can give outlining, you can even also give effects. You can give 3D effects as well. So select, this is the present one, you can select any effect according to your, okay, so just give 3D effect like this. So you can see here, this is an effect I have given. So you can change, okay, 3D rotation. So this is the effect that you can give to a particular shape. Okay, you can soft edges, glue. Okay, so this is how you can give it. You can, now I'm keeping it in standing one. Okay, so now this is, देखिए अब ग्लो दिया था तो you can see इसके अगल बगल ग्लोन सी आ गया. Okay, so this is how you can give any kind of effect to any shape, any picture, any word art. Okay, so जिसको भी आप चाहो, you can give a special effect. Okay, so to make it more beautiful. Okay, now, okay, now I'm changing okay. Now here देखिए color, if you want to change this color, देखिए मैंने यहाँ पे क्लिक किया, its color has been changed. Okay, if you want to fill it with some color, you can fill it with that as well. Okay, now suppose if you want to insert any text, so make a right click. Okay, and when you will make a right click, this screen will appear, this dialog box will appear. Now click on add text. Okay, now you can see a cursor. Okay, I'll just change its color so that you can see the cursor also. Make it a little light. Okay, so now, okay, now you can see the cursor, and here you can write anything. Okay, I'm just writing the name of our country, that is India. And आपको पता है, you can even change this one. आप इसका चाहो तो आप इसका भी font style, font size change कर सकते हो. First of all, what you have to do is, you have to select the text. Okay, आपको text को select करना है. Okay, now go to home, and then you can make it bold. You can change its style according to you. Okay, whatever you want. You can increase its size according to your requirement. Okay, so this is a very much thing that you can do on MS Word. And you know, if you are very habitual or used to with MS Word, you will have to do work on it. आपको MS Word जितने अच्छे से आप समझोगे, आपको इसके काम करने में उतना ही मज़ा आएगा. Next is adding word art. So how you can add word art? Okay, to give special effects. Okay, so you can why we use the word art. The word art is the next feature of the MS Word that I'm going to discuss with you all. So basically we use this word art to give a special effect to the headings. Okay, so make the headings more impressive. So first of all, I'm just going to delete it. Okay, now suppose I just want to add the word art. Okay, so word art is here. Now first of all, what you have to go to insert, and here you, in this ribbon, you can see this option that is known as word art. Click over here, and now you can see. Okay, you can see number of word arts here. So जिस भी word को आपको word art में convert करना है, first of all you have to select. तो selection के बिना कोई भी काम नहीं होगा. So first of all you have to select the word that you want to work with the word art. So now I have selected the complete sentence, that is Army Public School Varanasi. Now go to insert, go to word art, and select the word accordingly. Now this is the word art. Now you can see it has been completely changed. Okay, still you are not satisfied, again go to insert, go to word art, and you can choose another one. Okay, this is the word art overlapping. Okay, so this is known as word art. अगेन इफ़ यू वांट टू चेंज दिस वन, अगेन सबसे पहले आपको सिलेक्ट करना होगा टेक्स्ट. ओके, देन सबसे सिलेक्ट द टेक्स्ट, इंसर्ट, गो टू वर्ड आर्ट एंड मेक द चेंजेस. Okay, so okay, again I'm inserting the word art. Now the next word art will be here. Okay, not editing this one. Okay, so whatever text you want to add, you can. Okay, so I'm writing again. ओके, सो वॉट एवर द टेक्स्ट. ओके, यहाँ पे लिखो जो अभी आपको वर्ड ऐड किया है मैंने. यहाँ पे मुझे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मुझे अपना वर्ड जो करना होगा, बिकॉज आई हैव नॉट सेलेक्टेड द टेक्स्ट, सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज शोइंग दैट वन. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन ऐड वर्ड आर्ट. ओके, सॉरी, आई हैव जस्ट undo everything. Okay, so this word art is also a very beautiful thing that we can use. The next is adding a border. Suppose you want to add border. Okay, so you want to add the borders. So how you are going to add the borders in the MS Word? Okay, so now how we are going to add the border. So for adding the border to the text, so first of all we need to write a paragraph. So I'm just writing a paragraph, or just paste a paragraph. Okay, so देखिए एक मैंने पैराग्राफ लिखा है ना. स्पेल ऑफ ड्राई वेदर, when the birds could find very little to drink, a thirsty crow found a pitcher with a little water in it, but the pitcher was high and had a narrow neck and no matter. Okay, चलिए, so now we can add border. So first of all, so where you have to add the border, so click anywhere in the text or select the text in which you want to add the border. So, okay, suppose I just want to add border to this text. So first of all I'm going to select the text. Okay, then I'll go to the home tab, then press over here, then go to borders. The next step is, okay, sorry, first of all go to, just first of all select the text. Just a minute. Okay, so again I have selected this much. Okay, chalo, let's select the complete text. First of all I have to make a little bit, इसमें थोड़ा सा मुझे इसकी साइज छोटा करना पड़ेगा. ओके, चलिए. So now first of all select the text. I have selected this one. Then go to this. This is borders. Okay, this is known as border. Click. Also whatever border you want to give. Okay, or you can go to borders and shading. Go to borders and shading and select the borders tab. Okay, so देखिए okay, so okay, now you can see these all are the borders that are available. Okay, so okay, you can select any type of border from here. So I'm selecting this one, box border. Okay, okay, now go to okay. Now this is the border. Okay, देखिए सारा का सारा text जिसमें मुझे border चाहिए, that is appearing on the screen. Again, if you want to change the border, again first of all select the text, go to this is the border. Okay, borders and shading. Okay, go to borders and shading, select the type of border. So I'm selecting this one, 3D. This is okay. Now this is a 3D border that you can see over here. So this is how you can add borders to the text that is already written. So basically for giving the borders you need some text. Okay, without any text you can't give the borders. Okay, चलिए, so these are the various steps or different styles of border that you can add. Okay, so this was all about the Microsoft Word that we had to discuss in this chapter. After this we are having the big exercise. Okay, so Okay, so with this we have completed the chapter, that is working with the word. Okay, so this was the only topic that was left in the last session. So with this we have completed chapter number 8. So in the next session I'm going to discuss the back exercise of the chapter number 8 with you all. Okay, so this is from my today's session class. Okay, so with this I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody, have a great day.